अगर घर वास्तु से अलाइन नहीं है, like if it is not vastu compliant, do you really think that relationship and marriages also suffer big time?
When few of my outlets were shutting down for no rhyme and reason, like the food is nice, the quality is nice, the service is nice, but still no business, less business, losses.
So do you really think that because of dislocation या फिर वास्तु वाइज उनके घर या फिर बिजनेस में पोजीशनिंग सही नहीं होती है, उसकी वजह से उनके रिलेशनशिप या फिर उनके फाइनेंशियल जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं उसको अफेक्ट होते हैं?
घर की एनर्जी है या ऑफिस की एनर्जी है, इट हैज टू बी पॉजिटिव. समस्या है तो समाधान है. वी हैव टू सी व्हाइल परचेजिंग न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज, नॉर्थ ईस्ट and southwest of the property should be aligned.
उन्होंने जितने चेंजेस बोले, we made all the changes, but still
हर घर की एनर्जी तो आपकी लाइफ को ऊपर ले जाती है या फिर रोक देती है, पर असली प्रॉब्लम ये है लोग वास्तु से डरते ज्यादा है, समझते कम है, और हम मिल रहे हैं उस एक्सपर्ट से जिन्होंने डर को डिसॉल्व करके साइंस को स्पॉटलाइट में ले आए. प्लेटिनम अवार्ड विनिंग महावास्तु एक्सपर्ट जो एक सिंपल मंत्र पर जीते हैं. समस्या है तो समाधान है. वेलकम टू एक सोच. मैं हूं निराली पंड्या और आज हम डिकोड करेंगे महावास्तु के मीथ्स, ट्रूथ्स और रियल इम्पैक्ट विद द वन एंड ओनली मोंटू सिंह. जब एनर्जी अलाइन होती है तब लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली डिजाइन हो जाती है. और हाँ, इस एपिसोड को पूरा जरूर देखिएगा क्योंकि इस एपिसोड से आपको बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने मिलने वाली है. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है फिर से एक बार एक सोच में. आज हमारे साथ है मोंटू सिंह जो एक महावास्तु एक्सपर्ट है. सो लेट्स वेलकम मिस्टर मोंटू सिंह ऑन आवर शो एक सोच, वन आइडिया दैट चेंज्ड योर लाइफ. नमस्ते मोंटू जी.
नमस्कार. नमस्कार.
And thank you so much for accepting our invitation and being there on our show. And this is our first chat. And this is my very favorite topic. Wow. Vastu, because Vastu is something I feel each and everyone in their house or their home or in their business, they're looking out for it. Right? So thank you so much once again for
Pleasure. Pleasure is all mine.
Because I really want to understand, like, how was your early days? जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, मैंने सुना that, you were never into Mahavastu, right? All of a sudden, you chose this profession and you started practicing. So how did that transition took place?
So, by profession, I am a restaurateur and hotelier.
Oh.
So, when few of my outlets were shutting down for no rhyme and reason, like the food is nice, the quality is nice, the service is nice, but still no business, less business, losses.
Okay.
We had to shut down few outlets overseas.
Mm-hmm.
So, this is when I got attracted towards Vastu. So, when I did little research on Vastu, I reached to Mahavastu.
Okay.
So Mahavastu is a research-based Vastu.
Okay.
It is founded by Vastu Shastri, Dr. Khushdeep Bansal ji, who is the main founder of Mahavastu, the man behind Mahavastu. It has a reason to everything, a logic to everything. So I was more attracted towards Mahavastu, and Mahavastu chose me.
Yeah, I agree to this. Your
Yeah.
profession always chooses you.
Yeah. So I've been practicing Mahavastu now since quite some years.
Mm-hmm.
Like I learned it about 8-10 years back, but now I've been practicing since past 6-7 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And do we help successfully doing about more than 500 plus cases also.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So I really want to understand, जैसे आपने बात किया महावास्तु और वास्तु शास्त्र का. So how different is महावास्तु from वास्तु शास्त्र?
So a basic Vastu Shastra has 4 or 6 directions.
Mm-hmm.
In Mahavastu, we have a 16 zone direction plan.
Okay.
And each zone has a trait.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you see north of northeast, it has a trait of health and immunity.
Mm-hmm.
If you see southwest zone, it has a trait of relationships, skills, ancestor blessings. So like this, all the zones have a trait.
Mm-hmm.
Like if some client calls me and says, Mr. Singh, I have a issue in relationship. So I will just straight away see southwest.
Mm-hmm.
I would not see the whole house. So what issue they have, we just see that zone.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
So do you really think that because of वास्तु डिसलोकेशन या फिर वास्तु वाइज उनके घर या फिर बिजनेस में पोजीशनिंग सही नहीं होती है, उसकी वजह से उनके रिलेशनशिप या फिर उनके फाइनेंशियल जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं उसको अफेक्ट होते हैं?
So energy plays a very important role in our life. Like what is manifestation? It's energy. वो कहते हैं शाहरुख खान साहब कि सारी कायनात आपको सपोर्ट करेगी अगर आप कुछ मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो. बट मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए आपकी जो घर की एनर्जी है या ऑफिस की एनर्जी है, इट हैज टू बी पॉजिटिव.
अग्रीड.
राइट. सो इन योर हाउस देयर आर 45 देवताज. सो उसमें 32 देवता है, एक ब्रह्मा हो गए और 12 असुर हो गए.
करेक्ट.
सो अगर आप असुर की जगह पे आप काम करोगे देवता वाले तो आपको दिक्कत होगी, और देवता की जगह पे आप काम करोगे असुर का तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी. So when everything is aligned in your house, you get the best results.
True.
I'll tell you one of my stories of a businessman from Chennai. He was a hardcore non-believer of Vastu.
Oh.
So post-COVID, he was picking up a factory in auction from government, and his wife was against it. She said, "Okay, we should not pick up from auction. It might be unlucky or blah blah things." So she said, नहीं आप इसको वास्तु चेक कराओ तो हम लेंगे. So he founded me on online platform. He contacted me and he said कि आपको वैसे झूठ बोलना है मेरी वाइफ को कि वास्तु compliance है, and I'll pay you the fees whatever you it is. I said, listen भाई साहब, आप जब फीस दे ही रहे हो, let's check the वास्तु. Later on we'll see हमें झूठ बोलना है सच बोलना है. So when I went to the site, जो प्लॉट का जो लैंड है, लैंड की जो एनर्जी थी, it was fire. Now the best land you can ever have for factory.
Oh.
So when we went inside the factory unit, we found the placements of the CFO, the chairman, and the HR guy were sitting in wrong locations, wrong zones.
Oh my God.
So specifically, the chairman was sitting in southwest. It is a zone of disposal. Matlab, his mind will not work. There will be a lot of wasteful expense in the factory. His CFO was sitting in east southeast, the zone of churning and anxiety. The moment thing goes wrong, he would be in anxiety and take a wrong decision. So I told him, boss, अगर आप मुझे फीस दे ही रहे हो, so we will get the vastu aligned of the factory and it will work wonders for you.
Correct.
Since then and since today, it's been 4 years, we have picked up 3 factories in a similar way for him.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Now he's a hardcore Vastu, Mahavastu follower.
Correct. So basically, let me also share my example. Like, before lockdown, I had my own preschools. Okay, so during that point of time, अचानक से school was running very successful with a lot of kids around, and all of a sudden, downfall आने लगा. So my father recommended that, why not go and check with the वास्तु expert. So there was one guy, बहुत ज़्यादा famous थे वो टाइम पे, तो हमने उनसे चेक कराया. उन्होंने जितने changes बोले, we made all the changes. But still 5-6 months we noticed, we try and been very patient कि यार हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा. So कभी कभार ऐसा भी होता है ना, जैसे people are a firm believer of वास्तु, but then कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो ही जाता है.
So I'll tell you, I have done a work for a preschool. I cannot name them because we signed an NDA. We cannot name them over here on social platform. So they have multiple outlets and few outlets were shutting down. So when they approached me, there was one typical problem in all the preschool which shut down. They had a toilet pot in the west of southwest zone.
Okay.
Which is a zone of education and savings. So when they had a toilet pot here in those 3 schools which they shut down, so there was no education. They didn't get proper staff. They didn't get proper kids coming to school. And all their savings from the other 7 outlets were going here.
Oh, that's true.
The moment we made them align their Vastu, we relocated the pots. So they started making money and getting good students there. It is so easy for us to locate the issue.
Okay. So according to you, with entire changes that we make with Vastu's, suggestion, with Vastu expert suggestion that will work 100%.
Yeah. So what we do is we first make the full premises Mahavastu compliance, and then we work typically in the zone which is affecting them.
Okay.
Like as we say, समस्या है तो समाधान है, तो समस्या किस जोन से आ रही है, we only
Identify that.
identify and we work on those zones.
Okay, that's wonderful. Now, with there are so many SRE projects happening around. अभी काफी सारे projects, काफी सारे builders भी नए नए आ रहे हैं. So nowadays it's a fashion, no, कि वास्तु compliance के साथ हम flats आपको provide कर रहे हैं. So when we go and buy a new house, I really want to understand, because it's my hardcore money, right? That whether it is vastu compliant or not, whether it is perfect for me to buy or not. तो कौन सी चीजों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए वो समय पर?
So basically, you're right. Now I'm on the panel of 3 big builders across India, where we are making townships also, and the whole township is being based on Mahavastu.
Love.
It's for the first time they also write on their website that this township or these buildings are as per Mahavastu, and they write our name very proudly. So the important thing what we have to see while purchasing the new property is northeast and southwest of the property should be aligned.
Okay.
There should be no major Vastu dosh in these 2 zones.
Okay.
Northeast is clarity of mind. So in all the premises, let it be a house, office, factory, building, there's a Vastu Mahapurush sleeping in your house.
Okay.
His head is towards the northeast of the premises. So northeast, if has a gas hob, that person, people staying in the house will be very hot tempered, they'll have blood pressure, they'll have very life threatening disease also.
Oh.
Yeah, if they have toilet pot, it's the same, they'll have autoimmune disease or neurological issues they'll have.
Correct.
Yeah. Southwest is second very important zone because it is a zone of relationship, skills, blessings. So these 2 zones we prefer, it should be pure without any Vastu dosh.
So one of my relative, he suggested me कि निराली कभी भी नया घर देखने जाए ना तो वो कंपस लेके जाया कर, या फिर किसी और का घर भी देखने जाए तो कंपस लेके जाया कर, and then align it somewhere in between and check whether it is south west direction or the direction that you were talking about or not. But not everyone allows us to do that, right? क्योंकि सबसे पहले हम कुछ करते हैं तो सामने वाले को एक शक पैदा हो जाता है कि यार ये कुछ करने आया है, देखने आया है या कुछ नया करने आया है.
आप कभी जू बीच गए हो?
हाँ जी.
आपने नारियल पानी पिया है वहाँ पे?
नहीं.
So आप कभी ट्राई करना, when you are having नारियल पानी, you tell the guy कि भैया हमको नारियल पानी चाहिए पानी वाला. वो टक टक बजा के चेक करता है हाँ पानी इसमें है कि नहीं है.
Correct.
So when you're buying a 100 rupees का नारियल पानी, you are checking it. You're buying a property worth crores of rupees. Why wouldn't you check? Like in fact, we have a lot of people who are buying houses, and we work with them hand to hand. Like they would shortlist 3-4 properties on a weekend, and we check with the draftsman. He goes and makes the house plans and check if the Vastu is fine and whether it would suit them as per the astrology also.
Okay.
So we align astrology with Mahavastu. So when your horoscope is in alignment with your house Vastu, it works wonderful.
Okay. So after lockdown, I've seen a lot of shift in people's mindset, right? Now they started accepting. पहले के ज़माने में इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, या फिर लोग इतना इतना ध्यान भी नहीं देते थे कि मैं किस तरीके से बैठूं, किस तरीके से सोऊं, कैसे उठना चाहिए मुझे. Now after lockdown, there has been a tremendous shift in people's mindset, and they want to accept all of this because of I believe that because of that free time, and they started learning a lot of things. Now all of them want to do something related to occult science or something related to spirituality. Do you really think that all the Vastu experts, they are quite experienced enough in giving us the correct suggestion? Because I've seen people in fear, I've seen people are very scared nowadays to approach a Vastu expert.
Well, start from start. The Vastu was always there. The kings used to make their kingdoms as per Vastu.
Correct.
Going further, Mahavastu is based on Bhagavad Gita, which says karma. You have to do your karma. And Vastu or Mahavastu will help you, by the way.
Okay.
Like through Mahavastu, I have helped a lot of people in their health, wealth, relationships. But like for wealth, if somebody is going through major sickness, so we always say, please take your medication. Vastu will help you karmically. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपनी मेडिसिन छोड़ दो आप और वास्तु पे ही डिपेंड करो, नहीं, दैट्स रॉन्ग. Vastu will help you, by the way. जैसे somebody for wealth, are you working hard enough? क्या आप हाथ पैर मार रहे हो काम में? आप कि घर बैठ के आपने कहा कि भाई वास्तु वाला घर पे आएगा, वास्तु करेगा और जादू हो जाएगा, ऐसे तो वो खुद अपने घर में जादू कर लेगा वो.
I agree.
So it's karmic. You have to do karma, and by the way, all these things will help you.
Mm-hmm. I totally agree to this that अगर आपका कर्मा या फिर आपके एक्शंस अगर वैसे नहीं है जैसे होने चाहिए, then definitely even वास्तु में भी you will end of the day you will feel the same, right? कि नहीं यार मेरे में कोई changes ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Now last answer to the question what you asked me, कि बहुत सारे बंदे हैं जो महावास्तु एक्सपर्ट है. Always go for a Mahavastu expert, those who are certified by Mahavastu, those who are experienced, and by any chance on social media you know them well. Never opt for somebody who's giving you a deal कि भैया मैं आपका वास्तु कर दूंगा 10,000 में, 20,000 में. वो आपका काम वैसे ही करेगा जो उसको आप एनर्जी एक्सचेंज दे रहे हो. Like for me instance, I feel I'm one of the most expensive Mahavastu expert in Mumbai and somewhat in India also. But I do my karma very well. When I am taking an energy exchange, I make sure कि उनके घर का जो चूल्हा है, गैस हॉब है, वो भी rightly placed है with right metals used in that.
So talking about energy, I personally feel that exchange of energy makes a lot of difference. So सामने वाले की energy अगर sad रहेगी, the person whom he is conversing or something like that, they also start feeling the same.
It's very true. Like, see, we are giving in our experience, our intuition, our time, our energy. It deserves something. Like, I'll tell you, my wife always laughs on me, कि you didn't spare my father also.
Oh,
So, boss, I am his son-in-law. He better give me double the fees then.
true.
Right? So, it is same. There's a price for everything.
Everything, I agree.
And your health and your relationship are priceless. You are believing and seeking somebody for your health, wealth, and relationship, and there's a price to it. I mean, it's priceless.
I agree. You are talking about relationship. I really want to understand कि अगर घर वास्तु से align नहीं है, like if it is not vastu compliant, do you really think that relationship and marriages also suffer big time?
So, this is my personal case studies of my last 500 cases, what I've realized. Maximum divorces happen when the northeast of the house, southwest of the house, and north of northwest of the house are disturbed majorly.
Okay.
If your north of northwest has an washing machine, your northeast is cluttered, or maybe northeast has a mandir with lot of red colors and diya being light there, and southwest has an pot, definitely it will lead to divorce.
Okay.
So I always tell all my people, all my clients, or any such podcast or any educational things, make sure northeast and southwest are balanced and they have no vastu dosh.
Okay. Otherwise, it will happen.
See, generally Mahavastu, as been taught to us by our guru Dr. Khushdeep Bansal ji, it's a non-destructive vastu. We don't break down anything.
Correct.
But if there is a gas hob or toilet pot in northeast, we ask them to break it. And also southwest. So these two zones are very sensitive.
Okay.
So we always suggest our clients, our people, those who seek to us for Mahavastu, that please make sure there is no Vastu dosh in these two zones.
Okay. So according to you, how do we have to place the toilets?
So out of 16 Mahavastu zones, 3 zones are very well versed or very well good for toilet pots. One is south of southwest zone, good for disposal.
Mm-hmm.
Second is east of southeast zone. This is zone of anxiety, good for having toilet pot over here. Third is west of northwest zone, zone of depression and lot of mood exchange and addiction. This is also a good zone for having toilet pot. So if you have pots over here, you're literally shitting on all these three issues.
Oh.
Yeah.
But according to you, like, if I see a person, I mean, I have friends, they are going through anxiety and depression. So maybe I need to, like, ask them to see our podcast so that at least they get good suggestions. Or
Definitely, people who are very observant, like if the northeast is clear, but they're having anxiety, so northeast is very clear, and they know they have anxiety and they're looking for help. Like a lot of people, before leaving the house, they would lock the house again, check 5 times. The door is locked. That's overanalyzing things. Like they would lock their locker properly, but still they will do tuck tuck and check locker lock ho gaya ki nahi. So this is overanalyzing, overthinking.
correct. So my husband does this.
Oh.
He used to do before, like, we renovated our house. He always used to keep checking. I don't know what fear he had.
So this is overanalyzing things. He will think 10 times, like when if you are planning for a family vacation, you would say you would want to go to US. He will say, no US, let's go to UK. Let's have some less expenditure. Let's do this. So he's overanalyzing everything.
Correct. True that. So, can you tell me how important is meditation in person's life?
Meditation is very important as long as you're doing it in the right zone. Like, if you're meditating in a zone of like south of southwest, you will meditate. Your eyes are closed. आपकी सोच जाएगी आज वो मेरी मेड नहीं आई है, वो मेरा ड्राइवर इज आस्किंग फॉर सैलरी हाइक, आई हैव टू गो टू माय चिल्ड्रंस स्कूल टीचर. सो आपका ध्यान नहीं रहेगा. और वही अगर आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट जोन आपका क्लियर है और वहां बैठ के आप मेडिटेट कर रहे हैं या आप ध्यान कर रहे हैं, इट विल गिव यू रिलीफ ऑफ माइंड, पीस ऑफ माइंड, क्लैरिटी इन माइंड.
I agree to this. So it's also, even during meditation, you have to make sure that you're sitting in the right direction,
Right zone.
right zone. And
So Mahavastu talks about zones. We have 16 zones. So we talk about zones all this. Like किसी की अगर शादी नहीं हो रही है and they've been trying their best. So what we do is we first of all clear their northeast, clarity of mind, ताकि they should know where they're standing and what is the issue they're facing. Like if they have a relationship issue or if they don't have proper people known to them. Like शादी कैसे होती है? 10 people.
Yeah.
They will say अरे आपके बच्चा is become जवान, शादी करनी है उनकी. That's how you make contact. So northeast, east is for social connection, southwest zone and north of northwest zone.
okay.
North of northwest zone, we ask that girl or the boy who's seeking to get married, we put their photo in a gray color frame and install in the zone.
Oh, so this is how it makes a lot of difference.
Very much.
Oh my God, that's amazing. I mean, that's amazing to understand that, सिर्फ इतने changes करने के बाद भी काफी सारे positive impacts हो सकते
See, it's not big change. हमने क्या कहा कि दो चीज जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट और साउथ वेस्ट, तो आपको जब आप घर ले रहे हो आपको वो चेक करना ही है.
हैं. Correct,
एडिशनली आपको एक फोटो लगानी है नॉर्थ ऑफ नॉर्थ वेस्ट जोन में. दैट्स इट.
correct. आपको लगता है ये जो एंट्री का, जो आपका जो घर का एंट्री होता है, if it is not in right direction, it will hamper your success.
So as per Mahavastu, we have 32 entrances.
Okay.
So in east we have 8 entrances. In west, north, south, in each of the zone we have 8 entrances. So in all the 4 entrances, east, west, north, south, so east में E3, E4, south में S3, S4, north में N3, N4, और west में W3, W4. These are all positive and nice entrance. And they're very positive. Each entrance gives you specific results for health, wealth, prosperity also.
Okay.
So in each direction we have good zones and good entrance.
Okay. So it's very important to have correct and
Entrance plays a very important role up to 30% of the वास्तु.
oh,
एंट्रेंस आपकी अच्छी तो 30% आपने वास्तु को फतेह कर लिया, जीत लिया आपने.
correct.
एंट्रेंस पे आई वुड लाइक टू टेल योर ऑडियंस वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव their god ideals or guru ideals placed outside the main entrance. अब देखेंगे बहुत घर के बाहर they have god idol.
Yeah.
That's the
So
most.
basically that Panchmukhi Hanuman.
I will not name any idol or god, but placing your god or guru outside the house is the biggest sin.
Is it?
मतलब आपने क्या कह दिया कि भैया हमारे भगवान हमारे लिए द्वारपाल हो गए. Second thing, in Mumbai specifically, or Bangalore or Chennai, where there are buildings, so people have this method of keeping the dustbin outside the house or keeping their slippers outside the house.
Yeah.
Like नीचे dustbin है, slippers है, ऊपर भगवान लगे हुए हैं. The biggest vastu dosh.
Okay.
I would want to say to every people who are watching this podcast, please don't do this. God should be in your mandir or in your heart. That's it.
So most of them they say that Panchmukhi Hanuman का वहाँ पे होना चाहिए घर के बाहर frame. So on top of our entry, if you see, even we also have that Panchmukhi Hanuman.
God should be in mandir.
Yeah.
See, आप जैसे आपको समझाया मैंने, डस्टबिन है, आपके स्लीपर्स पड़े हैं और ऊपर गॉड रखा है. इट्स नॉट. कैन यू ईट योर मील इन द वॉशरूम?
No.
You have to eat your meal on a dining table, no matter if it's right or wrong zone, but dining table पे बैठ के खाना खाते हैं. तो भगवान जी तो मंदिर में होने चाहिए, घर के बाहर तो is no ways.
There's one more saying which I heard from my like husband's friend. He's also Vastu expert. He told us कि आप एंट्री जैसी आप पैर अंदर रखते हो ना, वो जगह पर एक थोड़ा सा छोटा सा होल करके ना, वो जो लोखंड या चांदी का कुछ तार वगैरह डालने बोला था. So is it relevant?
So I will talk about Mahavastu. In Mahavastu, we don't follow such things. We are very research based. Our Guru, Vastu Shastri, Dr. Khushdeep Bansal ji, has given us umpteen knowledge.
Okay.
So we are the only one. We say we have 32 entrance, we have 16 zones. So each entrance has each trait and uska outcome kya hai, uski remedy kya hai. So we don't follow such remedies. So we have this Mahagurukul in Gurgaon. We have a Mahavastu approved factory where we make all our remedies, and all remedies are made with the right metal, right constitution also. So we believe in giving that and preaching that only.
Okay. So can you just give us 3 quick tips that can instantly change our house or our business energy?
Northeast, first of all, if it's an office or a house, Northeast should be clutter free. A lot of people have their mandirs there, so please don't light a diya. This is a water zone.
Okay.
Diya should be lit in Southeast zone always, the fire zone. Second is Southwest zone. Southwest is a zone of relationship. If home, it's family. If office, it's your vendors, it's your clients, it's your staff, everybody. So these two zones should always be balanced. And third zone is Southeast, पैसा. पैसा सबको चाहिए. तो पैसा आता है Southeast. Southeast is a zone of cash security. लक्ष्मी माँ का वास होता है Southeast में.
Okay.
So I always tell all my client कि Southeast zone में लक्ष्मी माँ की एक अच्छी फोटो और एक दिया हमेशा होना चाहिए घर में. These 3 tips are very important for all the households and offices.
Okay, that's amazing. That's very nice tip because this will help all our viewers also to identify the zones. Which
But before that, please ask them to get in touch with very nearest Mahavastu Acharya, Mahavastu expert. They can send some draftsman to the house and grid the house properly. Like अगर हमने साउथ ईस्ट का है, वो रख रहे ईस्ट ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट में, जोन ऑफ एंजाइटी, तो वो उल्टा असर करेगा. First know your house properly, then place all the remedies in
you
house.
need to do a proper audit. जैसे हम लोग बिजनेस में किस तरीके से प्रॉपर ऑडिट करके आगे के स्टेप्स उठाते या स्ट्रेटेजीज करते, वैसे ही इफ यू वांट टू हैव योर हाउस वास्तु compliant or your business space vastu compliant, then you need to have vastu expert.
I'll give you a very funny example जो अभी आया है दिमाग में. When you go to a doctor ना, no matter whatever you tell him, a local next door doctor कि डॉक्टर साहब सर दर्द है या पेट दर्द है या हाथ, फर्स्टली चेक जो हाथ.
Yeah,
दैट्स अ बेसिक नर्व चेक करता है, बिकॉज वो बेसिक चीज है चेक करने की.
true.
सेम विद अस, वी विल नीड योर हाउस प्लान. ये चेकिंग द नर्व्स ऑफ द हाउस
Yeah, true.
कि इशू क्या है यहाँ पे.
Correct. Right.
That's very important.
Very, very important, rightly said. So we're talking about murti, having a murti outside the house, the idol outside the house. I really want to understand घर के अंदर भी हमारे हमारे यहाँ पे कितनी सारी टूटी हुई चीजें होती है. Does that really affect the financial growth or success?
So for financial growth, we always refer to West zone of Mahavastu. West is a zone of profits and gains. अगर यहाँ पे आपने कोई भी टूटी हुई चीज लगाई है, यहाँ आपका अगर यहाँ पे शावर एरिया है, पानी लीक हो रहा है, यहाँ एसी लगा हुआ है, एसी इज लीकिंग और यू हैव सीपेज, देन इट विल गिव यू लॉस इन वेल्थ.
Correct.
यू नो, सो इट रियली मैटर्स कि ये जोन जो वेल्थ का है, गेन्स का है, प्रॉफिट का है, अगर ये साफ है, लीकेज नहीं है, कुछ की जैसे कोई वॉच है और वो वॉच बंद पड़ी हुई है यहाँ पे महीनों से, किसका ध्यान नहीं किया, इट विल स्टार्ट अफेक्टिंग यू. एनर्जी प्लेज द इम्पोर्टेंट रोल.
Correct. So you're talking about energy, right? You are in a space wherein you have a lot of energy exchange. Does that really affect you?
No, not really. I'm staying in a very well balanced home and office.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's amazing. So talking about energy also, कई सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि एनर्जी के लिए ये पहन लो, ये हाथ का ये कड़ा पहन लो, या फिर दोस पायरेट थिंग, स्टार्ट वेयरिंग दोस थिंग्स, या फिर पायरेट लगा दो. जनरली वी बीइंग अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी डोंट नो कि सही क्या है गलत क्या है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्पेस देयर इज लॉट ऑफ fear based marketing that takes place. So what is your take on that?
So Mahavastu believes in empowering the clients. We don't make them feel weak. यहाँ डराते हैं कि ये मत करो या ऐसा मत करो. We have a reason and a logic behind everything. You will not see me wearing anything. Neither any pirate, no rings, nothing. We don't need. Your energy is balanced, your house is aligned, you're sorted. You can manifest what you want. Yeah.
So manifestation takes an important role.
You will see a lot of people saying कि हम manifest कर रहे हैं, होता नहीं है, we don't believe in that. So manifest भी तभी होता है जब your house is aligned.
Okay.
You know, like किसी बच्चे को अगर एग्जाम में फर्स्ट आना है तो उसको पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. बिना पढ़ाई तो फर्स्ट आएगा नहीं वो. So same way you want to affirm something, your house has to be aligned.
Yeah, you need to have that kind of energy. So your house should be aligned. You in between, you were also talking about astrology, right? So how relevant astrology and Vastu is?
So you might have heard a lot of times कि बहुत सारे lot of people say to the agents, property agents, हमें ऐसा घर चाहिए जो बहुत लकी आदमी यहाँ रहा होगा. Like किसी आदमी ने एक 4 BHK घर में रहा for 10 years and now he's taking a bungalow in Pali Hill, stuff like that. हमें ऐसा घर चाहिए. But जब भी वो घर में शिफ्ट होते हैं, that house becomes unlucky for them.
Is it?
Yeah. What matters is we precisely see your horoscope.
Okay.
If that entrance is going to be lucky for you, the room where you're going to sleep is going to be as per your Astro Vastu, then it really matters good to you. जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई बंदा यहाँ रहा है वो लकी था फ्लैट तो आपके लिए भी वो फ्लैट लकी हो, ये ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है.
Yeah, because most of the time हम भी खुद if we want to buy a home or if we want to buy a new office space, we always see, especially जब रेंट पे जा रहे हो आप, हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं ना कि इसके पहले कौन था,
राइट.
उसका बिजनेस कैसे चल रहा था, राइट, एंड देन वी मेक अप अ माइंड कि नहीं यार इसका अच्छा चल रहा था ना तो हमारा भी अच्छा चलेगा.
राइट.
So that is something which should not be the case.
You know, people spend so much of money on buying a iPhone 17.
Yeah.
People spend so much money on buying the lucky card number for themselves. But they don't believe or they don't really agree sometimes for taking some Mahavastu expert on the panel, helping them to sort a new house, helping them to align their house. And once they do this, they can reap the benefit of the whole thing. Like they would buy a house worth 10 crores. They would give 50 lakh to an interior designer. A Vastu expert will just ask 10 lakhs from you. That's it. And he'll sort your whole life.
Correct.
It's worth it.
It is worth it.
Yeah.
But still, India, People's mindset is basically कम पैसे में सब चाहिए.
So I'm flying tonight to Dubai. I'm doing 2 villas there. दो भाई हैं. So they were Delhi based. Now they've relocated to Dubai. So I'm doing their houses there. So I mean, people who believe in India, they believe everywhere.
True. Rightly said. But still, I have seen people want to do everything, but still they say यार वास्तु एक्सपर्ट आएगा ना बहुत ज्यादा चार्ज करेगा.
It's up to you what you think. You will, I mean, आजकल हर घर में there are 5 cars, mobile phones, and which is waste. After a year, the mobile phone is waste for you. You will exchange it for a newer handset, right?
Yeah.
But somebody whom you are trusting for your relationships, health, wealth, so it's each their own. Like if you ask me, I am always minus 60 days. What I mean by that, I'm booked for next 2 months or 3 months.
Okay.
So, I'm already booked. So, I mean, I have no issue. I have so many people coming to us. I think I would give all the credit to Mahavastu because people start believing in Mahavastu. That's why they seek us for their health and wealth. And it has helped everybody. So, I only have clients, those who are referral clients. Like, I don't have anybody new coming. Whoever comes to me via referral because they have seen the word of mouth, they've seen the benefit of doing Mahavastu. Yeah.
Have you ever, you are traveling to a lot of places, right? People might have approached you after buying home as well, right? So have you ever, gone through an experience where you have actually felt a wrong energy in that particular place?
So, one of my couple kitty friends had approached us saying that earlier his wife was to get intuitions and she could make out energies at home. And initially her husband started taking her advice at work also कि मैं ये काम कर लूँ, मैं ये shares दे दूँ, मैं ऐसा कर लूँ. And it was going as per what she was intuiting. But after 3-4 months, she started getting sleepless nights, overanalyzing things and bad. She was in very bad shape. So when they approached me for doing Mahavastu and I made the Mahavastu plan of the house, I knew that 2 zones in the house are disturbed very badly because we at Mahavastu, we know what we're doing. So north of northwest zone is a zone of attraction and attention. And second is southwest zone, zone of ancestors. When these 2 zones are together disturbed and to cover up even south, S5 particularly, zone of Yam. So they start getting this intuition. The moment the house is aligned, everything is gone. They feel it at the normal and there's no intuition they have and they can't foresee things also.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So this is a immediate shift I can see.
Immediate. I'll tell you, I think don't take him in the wrong way, but every 5th or 6th women in India feel that they have supernatural power.
Powers, yeah.
But those people have their house energy not aligned. The moment the energy is aligned, all the intuition goes away. And they have nice, very good long sleep and they're very relaxed.
So this one of my friend, उनके घर पे उसको कुछ experience हुआ. She was working on a laptop and all of a sudden she had an intuition that someone passed away from there. And in her house she has lot of cats. Okay, तो वो cat जो थी ना वो वहीं पे दरवाजे के बाहर जाके वो खड़ी हो गई और वो देखने लगी. It is said that dogs, cats, they get to see these things first and then you imagine and you get that intuitions. So how real is that?
So Mahavastu is the only Vastu who have included cats and pets as family member in Mahavastu. We have a zone for them called East of Northeast Zone where pets are at their best, first of all. Second, आप सही बोल रहे हो, we have also heard कि cats and dogs and see all these things. But again, वो घर की energy balance नहीं है, disturb है, so they all can feel that. The moment the energy is balanced, see, what is a ghost? What is a shadow? It's energy.
Yeah.
The moment the energy is balanced, you will not see them.
True.
I have done more than 25 such cases in last 5 years,
Mm.
where they feel that they can see somebody, or they can see someone's daughter getting disturbed at home. She can feel shadow,
Yeah.
disturbing her sleep, and they don't get sleep for the whole night.
Mhm.
That's actually there. But the moment energy is balanced, house is aligned, everything is fine, back to normal.
Okay, so it's this all is purely a game of energy.
Yes. So they say ना कि सर आप तो ना आप पंडित जी हो, ना आप तंत्रिक हो, आप कैसे ठीक करते हो ना भाई, ये एनर्जी है. This is not tantric, this is not anything else, this is just purely energy of your house.
Yeah. So we're talking a lot about energy. I really want you to give a small tip, like, for a principle of energy that every entrepreneur should know.
See, energy in sense, when it is about energy, we talk about zones. So any entrepreneur whose northeast is not clear, he cannot have proper vision. So again, without naming anybody, we have done this Mahavastu for a very big solicitor of India. So at his house, we installed a owl in west zone.
Oh.
So owl is the one bird which can see, like, उसकी दूरदृष्टि अच्छी होती है, दूर तक देख पाता है, अंधेरे में भी देख पाता है वो. So owl in west is a zone of profit and gains. Owl sitting there can foresee profits coming to him from a long way.
Wow.
So उनके घर पे he's a solicitor, he's a very big counselor, so he's very good farsighted also. क्योंकि दूरदृष्टि बहुत अच्छी है.
Wow.
It really helped him a lot.
That's amazing. I have seen lot of people buying, including me. वो होता है ना मार्केट में देखा देखी करना और बाय कर देना without any consent. So people buy those 7 horses, which they consider it to be very lucky. So where do you think that should be placed, or before even buying, do they need to consider something?
Half doctors are the worst doctors, right? So out of my 10 clients, 3 clients who approach me are those who have done such mixture of Vastu and Feng Shui and other things, and they have kept a lot of things in the house, like a prism or a crystal or a running horse or a lot of things, and they fall in big trouble, and that's when they approach us. And when I tell them, please take all these things out before I come to your house for a visit.
Oh, is it?
And when I visit the house the first time, they say, sir, हमें 50% आराम आज ही आ गया है.
Seriously.
Yeah. See, energy plays a strong role.
It plays a lot.
You have placed wrong things in the wrong zones at your house, it matters a lot to you.
I agree. So, in my personal experience, still I have those 7 horses. If you see entry of my office, 7 of those horses. After that, I don't know, somehow my employees started, leaving. Still it is there, but so I also started thinking negatively. यार ये 7 घोड़ा आया ना, तब से मेरे यहाँ पे employees टिकते नहीं है. So is it because of my mindset, or it's a dislocation of things?
Where you might have had those horses might be in the wrong zone, or the color of the horses might be wrong.
Okay.
Like for your staff support or your bank support or sibling support, we refer to northwest zone, which is a zone of support and banking support.
Okay.
So if anything wrong is placed there, you will have the issue. So I'll tell you, I myself, I'm a restaurateur. So the biggest issue any restaurateur faces is staff issue. आज ये cook नहीं आया, आज ये manager नहीं है, आज ये valet driver नहीं आया. So we need support. It's a teamwork.
Yeah, it's a teamwork.
So what I do is I keep all the resumes of all my staff in a yellow file in Southwest Zone. Believe me, even if they're sick, they report to work.
Wow.
They start caring for the relationship. They start caring for the skill what they have, and they report to work. It's magical.
It is magic.
Yeah.
I will also try.
So I've got overseas restaurant where manpower is like respected a lot.
Yeah.
Like in India, if in a small restaurant of same size, I have 20 staff, there I would hire only 9 staff. They double time the whole work. So I always practice this Mahavastu in all those restaurants overseas, and I never have trouble.
Okay. So that's amazing. We had a Very candid conversation, sir, and I got to know a lot about Vastu, Mahavastu, the exchange of energies and why it is important. When we were talking, हमने ये भी बात की that how palmistry and Mahavastu is also quite relevant.
Yeah, so lately, our guru, Dr. Khushdeep Bansal, he's a researcher and scientist. He keeps on researching new things. So the latest thing what he was working since quite some time is how we link palmistry to Vastu. So only after seeing your palm, we can say which zone of your house is disturbed and what needs to be worked on.
Oh. But then those rekhas never change, right? How can it be so powerful that how can someone like
So,
expert like you can identify that?
so when I do Mahavastu of anybody's house, seeing the palms, I tell them, look at these lines. And after doing the remedies in your house, these lines shall go away.
Is
Yes. Within 6 to 12 weeks, they see a difference and they call me back.
wow.
Rather, we call them. So we have a very strong follow up. Like any Vastu client which we do Vastu for, we call them after 21 days or 40 days and take their feedback. We call them very confidently because we know it will matter to them a lot and they will get positive results also. So we call them very confidently.
So Manoj, I've seen one of your video जहाँ पे आपके मेंटोर ने ये कहा है कि अगर किसी को भी वास्तु कंप्लायंट हाउस चाहिए या फिर वास्तु कंसल्टेंट चाहिए तो मेरे प्लेटिनम अवार्ड विनर्स के पास ही आपको जाना है. So how do you feel your mentor saying this?
That's so sweet of him. Believe me, so pan India, there are 25,000 plus Mahavastu consultant,
Oh.
and he feeling that I deserve the Platinum Award, the number one, the best award amongst the Mahavastu consultant. If I deserve that, I mean, I'm grateful, you know. Second thing, he's saying this on a stage and pointing at me that people should come to me and get work done from me. I had tears in my eyes. Till date, whenever I see the video, I get goosebumps and my eyes are wet. So I shall always be grateful to my guru, my mentor, Vastu Shastri, Dr. Khushdeep Bansal ji. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Superb. Thank you so much for being so candid as well as very authentic, because people are so much in fear when it comes to Vastu consultant or taking suggestion from Vastu expert. So here we are heading towards one of the most important element of our show, that is rapid fire round.
Wow.
So whenever I'll ask you a question, you have to answer that in one word. So are you ready for it?
Then.
All right, sir. One myth about Vastu you wish people would stop believing.
Northeast is a good entrance. It's not a good entrance.
Okay.
It gives you lots of loans, lots of illusions.
Okay. Yeah, it's a common saying, no, north is direction chahiye, north is direction chahiye. So it's altogether a different thing. One space in a house that carries the strongest energy.
Northeast and southeast.
Super. Luck or logic, what really runs life?
Luck.
So do you really think, though we are in rapid fire round, but do you really think that without luck, ये वास्तु के जितने भी चेंजेस हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आपका लक नहीं होगा सक्सेसफुल होने का या फिर उतना फाइनेंशियल गेन्स होने का, it will be like
So I did a research on 20 children, those who were begging on the road. We made their kundlis. 20 kids में से 6 बच्चों के हाथ में राजयोग था, but they were begging on the road.
What are you saying?
So आपका लक अगर सही हो, आप सही घर में रह रहे हो, तो आप you will really get benefited.
Correct. Just because they are begging, they
If
are.
you have Raj if you have Raj Yoga in your hand, in your horoscope, आपका घर का वास्तु अलाइन नहीं है, पैसे तो आएंगे, टिकेंगे नहीं, घर में रुकेंगे नहीं.
I agree to this. Rightly said. One Vastu remedy you personally swear by.
Please have a mandir in Northeast. Have Shivji or Ganesh or any god whom you believe in over there. And don't have too many idols in mandir.
Yeah.
People feel having too many gods will help it out. No, it's a confusion of mind.
True that. Because काफी सारे, like, when we have our temple at place, we have all the gods there and there itself. We don't know whom to pray what. But उनके पास होते तो सारे भगवान हैं.
Right.
One thing you never allow in your workspace.
One thing I don't allow in my workspace: negativity.
One thing with zodiac sign has the most positive energy.
Zodiac sign: Taurus.
If your home had a message for you, what would it say?
Hello, keep me clean.
I agree to this. So even after having entire Vastu compliant, it is very important to keep your house staying.
So it's very well said in our Sanatana Dharma in Hinduism. Diwali आ गई, घर साफ रखो. घर साफ करोगे तो लक्ष्मी आएगी. So why can't we keep the house clean round the year? Lakshmi ji come every day.
Agree. I agree to this. One celebrity you would love to do Mahavastu for.
I think a celebrity in Bollywood have done maximum people's house. There is nobody as such. In fact, a lot of people don't want to say that they do Vastu.
Yeah.
So everybody believes, and I've covered maximum people so far.
Okay. The most powerful direction for success.
West.
Describe Mahavastu in one word.
Magical.
So thank you so much for being there. We had amazing conversation. Guys, do not forget to see this entire episode because you're going to gain lot of information that how important Vastu is, how important is your luck, and how important your energy flow is to have a great life, including your relationship, your business, and for yourself. So thank you so much and watch this entire episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And one last advice or one last thing you want to say about Ek Soch?
Ek Soch is Anek Soch. Today I had a good time talking to Gali ji. Her question was so relevant, to the mark, and I'm sure your audience will take full advantage of it. Anywhere Mahavastu can be of helpful, please approach your nearest Mahavastu expert or Acharya to help you out. They'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, do not be a Vastu expert because you have not studied anything. It is also a science, and they have taken a lot of efforts and they have taken a lot of certification for it. So never ever go through those 30-second drills जहाँ बोल रहे ये कर लो तो ये हो जाएगा. You should always approach an expert. Thank you so much.
वांटू सिंह ने हमें आज एक सिंपल बात समझा दी. घर की एनर्जी सिर्फ वॉल से नहीं बनती, आपकी सोच, सेटअप और स्पेस की अलाइनमेंट से बनती है. अगर जिंदगी स्टक लग रही है, शायद प्रॉब्लम आप नहीं, आपका स्पेस बोल रहा है. बस सुनना शुरू करो. मैं हूं निराली पंड्या और ये था एक सोच, वन आइडिया दैट चेंज्ड योर लाइफ. अगर आज के एपिसोड ने आपकी सोच बदली हो तो शेयर करो, कमेंट करो और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, क्योंकि हर घर की एनर्जी एक कहानी सुनाती है और सही इंसान उस कहानी को समझकर लाइफ बदल देता है.